Good morning, everyone. So, we are going to be talking about how to make money fast on L-Earnify. How you can make money fast on L-Earnify. Before we go into that, we would like to look at what is this L-Earnify company and what is it all about. So, L-Earnify is an affiliate networking company. It's an affiliate networking platform. It's a networking platform, so it's not a Ponzi scheme. So it's an affiliate networking company that helps you to enhance your skills. You enhance your skills and increase your worth. Because once you start making money, man, your worth have increased. That is what L-Earnify has gone to do in our life. So now we want to know how to make money on L-Earnify. So the first one is that to log into L-Earnify. The sweetest thing about L-Earnify is that whether you refer or you do not refer, you are getting your money. Any day you log in, the first step, any day you log in, you are getting 200 naira. So to make sure that you get money fast, you have to be logging in every day. You get money every day you log in. Once you log in, they will give you 200 naira. That is number one. Then number two, they have sponsored posts every day. They come up with sponsored posts every day. So once you share sponsored post, you go to, when you log in, you see the sponsored post around your dashboard. So once you share each sponsored post of every day, make sure you share sponsored post of that day. Check the date and make sure that you share the sponsored post of that particular day. So once you share the post, you are getting 300 naira instantly. So you have to work, because if you did not work, you will not earn. You have to log in to earn. You have to share sponsor post to earn. Then step number three, you will engage in adverts. There is adverts every day. That is what they're advertising every day. You will engage in adverts. This thing is very simple. Engage in adverts. Maybe you go and read the advert of the day, or you can decide to share it to somebody. They will direct you on what to do, how they want you to do the advert, whether you should read it or you should maybe share it with your family and friends. Just that. Once you engage in this advert, you are earning another 200 naira, making it 700 naira every day. 200 naira for logging in, 300 naira for sponsored post, and 200 naira for advert. That is 700 naira every day without sweat. Within 2 minutes, you are done with all these things that I'm saying. So the next one is how you can also earn money. There are a lot of ways you can earn money. The next one is quiz. On L-Earnify, every day, every blessed day, there is 2 quiz to answer. And any day you participate in any quiz and you win, you are getting 1,000 naira instantly. So imagine you, after doing your daily task of sharing posts, engaging in advert, logging in, and you answer one question correctly, you are getting 1,700 naira that day. So but one thing with this quiz is that it's not there forever. If you are lucky enough, you will see it. If you are not lucky, when they have gotten a good number of people, like 40 people have answered correctly of different questions, the question will finish. They don't allow people to answer 2 questions unless the answer have not been given. Once the right answer have been given, that particular question will disappear. You will not see it again. So that is the good thing about logging in steady, to check on quiz. When you log in, you check on quiz. Once you get the answer correctly, you are getting another 1,000 naira for that day. And another sweet one is game. L-Earnify has a lot of game for people that love game. And once you play any game and you win the game, once you play and you win with your opponents or with anybody you play, or any game that you like, there are a lot of game you choose. You make your choice. You understand? Any game that you play, you will earn the money. Each game has the amount that you will earn if you win. So some are 500, some 1,000, some 200. It depends on the game you choose. So it's your choice. You will see everything there. So if you play game, you do. If you win, once you win on that game, you are getting another money. So you can see this thing is very simple. It's work, you will do it, but it's very simple to do. It's not something, whether you're educated or you're not educated, you can do it. It's just for somebody to show you. But a very good one is coming up. I'm going to be showing you the videos of how you are going to do all these things, how you are going to be logging in, how you are going to be sharing your sponsored post, how you are going to be doing the advert. I will show you the video. You just see it with yourself, see it with your eyes. Then on the fire quiz, how you are going to participate on the quiz. A very simple something. When they ask the question, once you know it and get it correctly and nobody have answered it before, you are winning 1,000 naira instantly. And